Hello, savvy viewers! This is TouchSuite, Merchant and Payment Processing and POS Systems. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair payment processing, a comprehensive guide? In today's video, we'll explore the ins and outs of handling payments in the credit repair industry. Stick around because by the end, you'll be armed with valuable insights to streamline your credit repair business. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and questions. Now, let's jump into the content. 1. Understanding the landscape of credit repair payment processing. When it comes to accepting credit cards for credit repair, it's essential to recognize the unique challenges and opportunities that this high-risk industry presents. Traditional financial institutions might be hesitant to support credit repair businesses due to the perceived risk. By partnering with a high-risk payment processing provider, you can gain access to reliable and secure payment solutions that cater specifically to your needs. 2. The role of e-commerce payment processing. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become the cornerstone of many business operations, including credit repair services. An e-commerce payment processing solution enables you to seamlessly integrate online payment gateways into your website, allowing clients to conveniently make payments for your services. With an e-commerce merchant account, you can accept credit card payments for credit repair efficiently and securely. This modern approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also expands your reach beyond geographical boundaries. 3. Navigating high-risk merchant accounts for credit repair. Obtaining a credit repair merchant account might sound daunting, but it's a critical step in establishing your credibility and legitimacy in the industry. A high-risk merchant account tailored for credit repair instills confidence in your clients, assuring them of the security of their sensitive financial information. Moreover, with the right high-risk payment gateway. 4. CBD merchant processing, a comparative outlook. Drawing parallels with another high-risk industry, CBD merchant processing, we can understand the nuances of credit repair payment processing even better. Just as CBD businesses face challenges due to the evolving legal landscape, credit repair businesses also navigate complex regulations. By embracing advanced CBD payment processing solutions, credit repair services can learn from the strategies employed by CBD merchants and create a robust payment ecosystem. 5. The power of online payment gateways. When clients are seeking credit repair services, they desire convenience and reliability. An online payment gateway accomplishes both objectives by enabling clients to make secure payments from the comfort of their homes. With online credit card processing, clients can pay for your services at any time, making the process hassle-free and efficient. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also streamlines your business operations. Before we wrap up, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. For top-notch merchant and payment processing solutions, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider.